So let's go make a portfolio. Start in Classroom, Introduction to Design, Google Sites. Click on that, and the link will take you to Google Sites. If you've been here before, you will already have a portfolio made. If not, you're looking for the student portfolio. Now, if your screen is completely blank, down in the bottom right corner, there's going to be a plus. You're going to click on that plus. Two things are going to pop up. You are going to want to do New from Template. And when you click on New from Template, then you will see templates across the middle of your screen. I'm going to open a student portfolio. And you'll notice that it has information already in it. And it's not information you probably want. So you're going to go about changing all this. But right now, we're not worried about everything else. We only want to focus on the pages we need. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name my site something. In this case, I called it Mr. Co. Call yours what you want, as long as it's school appropriate. We're good there. And then I'm going to go over to the right side menu, and I'm going to click on Pages. This shows me all the pages that are already created in my portfolio. And I know you're all tech-savvy kids. When you see a little pyramid or a little side arrow, you know if you click on it, it expands out to something new. And anytime I want to change a page, I'm also going to look at the three-dot menu on the side. So the math class page, if I click on the three-dot menu, I can make that my home page. Don't want to do that. I can duplicate, make a copy of it. Properties is where I'm going to go first, because I don't want it to be called math. I want it to be called foot orthosis. Why? Because that's the first page we made, first project that we did, foot orthosis. And then if I click on that, I get a page. It's already made for me, and it has a bunch of stuff I don't want on it. So I'm going to change that to foot orthosis or something similar. And then I can put whatever I want on this page, and I'm going to delete all this junk I don't want. Don't want geometry. This isn't math class. I don't want any of this. Write a summary of what you're doing. I could explain right here what foot orthosis project was, what we did. But I want to add a photo and our video. Now to add something to a page, I'm going to come over to the right side menu again and hit the Insert button. And I can add images. I can add things from Drive. And in our case, we have photos uploaded. If I uploaded for you, if not, you sent them to yourself. They'll be in your Drive. So you can click on Drive. And if you go Shared with Me, you're going to have a folder that has your foot orthosis photos and videos in it. And you can get it from there. And all you have to do is click on an image. Let's say that one right there. And I hit Insert, and it's added to the page. I can also add my videos that way. Okay, if I add any element and I hit Insert, then it pops up on my page. So that's how I add things to my page. I want to go back to Pages because I need another page for the toy challenge. And this time I'm going to duplicate the page. I don't want to create it from scratch. I want to use what's already here and put toy or toy challenge and hit done. And there's another page. And on that page, I'm going to change the title. That was the therapeutic toy challenge. And again, I'm going to go over to Insert. I can either choose Images, select an image, which will take me to Drive as well. Or if I go to Drive, I can select it from Drive as well. And I can pick any one of these images and add it. Some of you might recognize your toys there already. And that would be the toy challenge page. Then we just started Skimmers. I'm going to come over here and duplicate my page again. And I'm going to call it Skimmer. And at some point, I want to explain that challenge. I want to change the title. And I want to add a photo of my skimmer. I'm going to come in here, click on Images, and select my skimmer photo. Now it's going to be in Drive. If Mr. Co took a picture, you came and got me and had me take a picture and upload it, where you can get it off of Classroom, or you took your own and you sent it to you or upload it from your phone, and it's available to you there. And you'll have your skimmer photo, and then later on we'll add your three distances and then find an average so you can report out how well you did. Now from there, you can come back and start to edit some of these other pages, or you can get rid of them. There's an activities page. You can add activities. Here I've added robotics and band and different things you might do. If you don't want them there, again, you can delete sections. You can come over here to the insert, and you can add all sorts of stuff to make your page what you want it to be. You can change the layouts and add text, embed other things. So you can update your activities page, or you can get rid of it. And to get rid of it, 3 dots and just hit delete, and it will go away. Your home page. Now your home page is kind of important because that is going to be the first place that people show up. So I might come in here and type in Mr. Coe's Learning Journey. Well, you can change the title to whatever you want. That image is not me. I'm going to change that image. Let's select it from something, and let's say, oh, there's a cool image. I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to change it to something I like, and I can include things about me. I can use the suggested sections. If I don't want them again, I can delete it. I can come over to the insert menu. I can change it from, I can insert something that has 4 sections. I can insert something that has 2 sections. I can add buttons and dividers and spacers and all that other stuff. So that is how you can go about improving your portfolio.